For many new drivers, the simple idea of jump starting a car is a big deal and it creates a lot of worry. So today we're going to go over how to do that simply, safely, and easily. And we're going to begin by the first step, which is simply popping the hood and getting to the battery or a battery post in the vehicle. Typically batteries are going to be found in the front of the vehicle, on the right or left side closest to the front bumper. With both vehicles turned off and in park, we're going to turn our attention to the dead vehicle first. With the hood open, we're going to notice the positive and negative terminal of the battery. The negative is a negative, the positive is a plus, or red and black. There's also another good guideline for a quick visual of what it is. So we're going to start by taking our red, which is the positive cable, and connecting it to the dead battery positive terminal. With that connected, we're then going to connect the red to the donor vehicle. From there, while we're looking at the donor vehicle, we're going to attach the black negative cable, and we're going to connect that to the negative battery terminal on the donor vehicle as well. Turning our attention back to the dead vehicle, we're going to take the last remaining black clamp and connect that to an unpainted surface with good ground. So with the cables connected, we can then start the donor vehicle and let it run for a few minutes. Usually around 5 is kind of my go-to. So hopefully at this point, then you can turn the key on the dead vehicle and start the car. If that's the case, go ahead and disconnect the cables in reverse order. So we're going to take the black off of the unpainted metal. We're going to go to the donor vehicle and disconnect the ground from there. Then disconnect the positive from the donor vehicle, and finally disconnect the positive from the dead vehicle. Let that thing run for 15 or 20 minutes just to make sure that's going to charge up for you and hopefully not leave you stranded again. And at this point, you should be good to go. And if you are not, it's time for a new battery, and we will cover that in the next video. If this video helped you, give it a like. Have a good one, and good luck on the road.